Welcome to Military Forces Insider. In today's episode, we dive deep into the extraordinary world of the Navy SEALs, one of the most elite special forces in the world. We'll uncover their history, rigorous training, legendary missions, and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned for an in-depth look at what makes these warriors stand out. And don't forget, if you enjoy this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. The Navy SEALs represent one of the most renowned special forces in the world, symbolizing courage, resilience, and professionalism. The history of this unit began with strategic missions during World War II, when the Underwater Demolition Teams UDT cleared underwater obstacles to facilitate maritime landings, such as the one in Normandy. After the war, during the Korean War, these units expanded their roles to include reconnaissance and sabotage, proving the importance of a versatile military force. In 1962, President John F. Kennedy initiated the creation of the Navy SEALs, foreseeing the need for troops capable of executing unconventional operations in various environments. Their early years solidified the SEALs' reputation, especially during the Vietnam War, where they carried out clandestine missions in jungles and rivers. Nicknamed the Green-Faced Devils by their adversaries, they demonstrated a rare combination of stealth, precision, and lethality. The experiences in Vietnam confirmed the effectiveness of their innovative approach to military operations. The selection and training processes for the Navy SEALs are among the most rigorous in the world, with only a small fraction of candidates successfully completing them. The training includes extreme physical and mental challenges, such as long-distance swims, timed runs, and resilience under intense stress. BUD/S is the most well-known phase, testing human limits under conditions of extreme fatigue. Hell Week, a week of continuous training with minimal sleep, is the most challenging stage, during which most candidates drop out. Those who pass this phase proceed to SEAL qualification training, where they acquire advanced knowledge of military tactics, parachuting, and urban combat. The structure of the Navy SEALs reflects the operational efficiency of this unit. There are 10 active teams, each tailored to specific regions of operation. The teams based in the Pacific, 1, 3, 5, 7, and Atlantic, 2, 4, 8, 10, are responsible for missions adapted to different environments. SEAL Team 6, also known as DevGRU, is an elite unit dedicated to highly classified missions, such as the elimination of terrorist leader Osama bin Laden during Operation Neptune Spear in 2011. These missions, although rarely publicly acknowledged, highlight the professionalism and importance of the Navy SEALs. The equipment and technology used by the Navy SEALs are top-notch, customized for specific missions. These include versatile assault rifles, sniper weapons, discreet pistols, and lightweight ballistic vests. Additionally, SEALs are equipped with advanced underwater breathing systems and night vision goggles, allowing them to operate in low visibility conditions. Their transportation varies from stealth helicopters and fast aircraft to discreet submersibles and inflatable boats. Over time, the Navy SEALs have been involved in missions that have shaped the course of history. Operation Neptune Spear, which led to the elimination of Osama bin Laden, is an example of the flawless execution of a complex mission. During Operation Red Wings in 2005, the SEALs demonstrated their courage in extreme conditions, a story immortalized in the film Lone Survivor. Similarly, the 2009 rescue of Captain Phillips highlighted their ability to save lives in critical situations. The challenges faced by this unit are numerous. The secretive nature of their missions limits public recognition, and the physical and psychological stress imposed by these operations deeply affects the lives of the members and their families. Nevertheless, the Navy SEALs remain committed to their mission, representing a prime example of dedication and excellence. In conclusion, the Navy SEALs are much more than a military unit. They are a symbol of human determination and adaptability. Through rigorous selection, intense training, and commitment to critical missions, these soldiers exemplify what it means to achieve the highest standards. Their legacy continues to inspire generations and contribute to global security. Thank you for watching this episode on Military Forces Insider. We hope you found the insights into the world of the Navy SEALs fascinating. Be sure to stay tuned for more documentaries from inside the world's military forces, offering you an in-depth look at the most powerful and elite armies. We appreciate your support and look forward to having you back on our channel. See you next time.